Simple!
Landlord, I'm with you here now.
The thing is that you people will always want to disappoint me. Eh? Listen, I've been telling you about my movement tomorrow, and you're not shaking body. You're not shaking body.
What do you want me to do now? I'm ready with you.
Go and get good ready. Listen, my brother will be getting married tomorrow. I'll secure the wife for him. So you're only just to escort me. Ogula.
No problem now.
I don't want to see you with this dressing. This thing is PE. Don't wear it to that marriage.
I don't get another cloth now.
I think it's here. Are you seeing this boy? Look at!
You manage this one like that.
Then how about you?
I'll just iron this my own now. Don't have any other clothes. I'll iron it.
Landlord, you get what I want to ask you.
What is it?
This marriage where you say you dey talk marriage, where you know the agree or stress. What be the person say where you want marry?
It's true. Who is the person are you securing this wife for?
Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Must you know everything? For the fact you're living in my compound does not warrant you to know everything about me.
Landlord, if you must flow to that place, we have to know the person you are securing the wife for.
It's okay. He's my brother from another mother. He has been in abroad for a very long time now.
Hey, same truth parables.
Better.
Abroad?
Yes, he has been in abroad. He has been overseas for a very long time now, for years. Okay. So if not for COVID-19, I think I would have done that marriage thing for a very long time now. So, but he's back now. He's in his hotel room. Okay. So I'm going to meet him there now. Please, tomorrow is the D-Day. You'll be the one to carry palm wine for me. Don't throw my palm wine away, oh.
Nah, I like that part. I like that one.
Now since it's coming from abroad, that means money go there.
Get away. Go and get ready.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Come, let me wear my clothes.
Nne, you don't know what is happening in this community. Yes, say Adora is getting married tomorrow.
Hey, I hear you too.
And a guy is coming from abroad.
Chimo, I wish say na me this guy won't come marry.
Now you want to put us under for best thing. When would they go? I'm a poor.
Magdiba, my brother, I don't understand. You brought me to your house for how many hours now? You have not said anything. Tell me why you called me.
What don't you understand? Sit down and wait for me was the last thing I said to you. It is a simple order. Is that the simple English that you cannot understand again? Eh?
I have been in your house for how many hours? Tell me why you called me.
Simple.
What is all this?
See, tell this man that we have international in-laws.
International.
Coming.
Wonderful.
That is why I told you to come with your Christmas clothes.
What's that supposed to mean?
What it's supposed to mean is you know that things are hard for you. But let us leave that one alone.
For you.
You have to be happy for me, my brother.
So your daughter has finally found husband.
My brother, and let me tell you, these in-laws, they are coming from Addis Ababa.
You don't mean it?
And these my in-laws, also have in-laws in Jakarta. So you see the connection, everything is now international.
I'm telling you.
Our in-law.
You see? My in-laws are here.
You're welcome, Big shift for them for my in-laws,
My in-laws.
How easy with this goat? Easy with the goat.
Sorry.
Look at landlord.
My in-law.
Uncle. Issues.
Issues. Come. You want to shake Eda? Are you a chief?
I thought we were together.
You're bringing hand from Zed. Are you seeing what I'm saying?
My in-laws.
Yes. Yeah, welcome.
Who are your in-laws? Who are your in-laws? Come on, they are my in-laws. I'm not your in-laws. Relax, let me talk. My in-laws, you are welcome. Landlord.
My in-laws.
Ezimogo.
Hey.
Ezimogo.
Hey.
I'm happy to see you.
Rizzo.
If
you give, I can give it too.
You don't understand. Respect yourself, Agabus.
They are also my in-laws.
Yeah. Your in-laws. You don't understand your in-laws. Put yourself in order.
Anyway, what do I know?
My in-laws, the reason we are here is that we saw one beautiful flower in your compound. So me and landlord, we came here to plug it.
Humble! You came to plug what? I told you this. Did you bring yourself or I brought you here? Now you want to plug flower that you don't know? Behave yourself. Behave yourself. So that you don't lose seeing what will happen in this marriage. I'll chase you home. What beautiful flower did you see here? Eh? Are you the right person to talk for me? Now you bring yourself?
I'm sorry.
You are just an escortee. Look at!
My in-law, calm down. Calm down.
Butuo, Biko. Butuo. Butuo.
Be careful.
Be careful, but Butuo.
It's okay. We are here because we saw a bitter leaf and we are here to remove it.
Jehovah Biafra.
Bitter leaf?
Bitter leaf.
Insult upon insult. How would you say you saw bitter leaf in my compound? Why?
Imagine. Okay, the simple thing is, let me explain it. My in-law, what I mean is, I saw an ugly girl here. I'm here to remove her for you. She's a load.
Another insult. Another insult.
Hey, Agriba, call your daughter.
It's okay. Adobio. Biko, come. Our in-law are here. Look at that. Adobio. Adobio. Mama.
Humble! Why are you licking tongue?
I'm just admiring the handwork of God.
You're admiring rubbish. If you do that again, I quit you from this place.
Sorry.
Nonsense. I don't like what I'm saying.
You don't mean it.
I said I don't like what I'm saying. She's too beautiful. Amaka, what is all this? Baby, please, just go. You're too beautiful. All our, she's too beautiful.
Wait, landlord, wait. You know, I've asked you this question in the house before. I said, let me ask you again here. Landlord, who is the person we are securing this wife for? Who is the person?
Biko, who is this person that wants to marry my daughter?
Yes.
Who is this in-law of mine?
You want to know your in-law?
I want to know my in-law.
Your in-law is here. This is your in-law.
Jehovah Biafra.
Abubakar.
Ewu.
Landlord, this thing, the goat is their in-law.
Hey, don't worry, I'm in love with you. I'm in love with this. My in-law.
Go and bring something special for our in-law.
Let me bring something for my in-law.
I told you.
I so much love my in-law.
I told you.
Nice. Our in-law.
Why we proceed?
Honorable John. You're welcome. You're welcome.
See, things you don't know you.
I think I want the head of my in-law.
Hey! Calm down. Stupid people. Nonsense. What an insult.
What sort of disrespect is this? What kind of insult is that? Imagine that landlord insulting me, bringing a goat to my house.
Papa, what did you just do? Papa, what have you done?
I chased them away.
But why did you ask those people to leave now? Those people that came to marry Adobe, why did you ask them to leave?
Why would I give my daughter to a goat?
See, Papa, if Adobe is not going to marry that goat, me, I'm going to marry the goat. I'm going to marry the goat. Wow.
Jehovah Biafra.
I'll marry the goat, Papa.
Why?
Papa, that goat is a treasure.
The goat is a treasure. But I did not see any diamond or gold around.
Now,
What I just saw there is that 13 naira roll.
exactly.
Papa, that goat is a pet goat to a white man. And he has willed all his property to that goat. You don't mean it? Do you think that Ogalano will just be walking about with that goat?
Hey.
Without him gaining anything?
Hey.
Papa, Ogalano is trying to secure a wife for that goat. Because he has his own share in the goat.
Hey.
Agidiba, what have you done?
Agabus, you are the cause of all this misfortune.
Agidiba, what have you done?
You are the cause of this misfortune.
Papa, go and call them back, oh.
Centros Paramos! Landlord, I swear to God, you get luck. If they say you don't listen to advice, this will follow carry knife for sure, so kill us.
Yes, landlord.
My friend, what do you know? What do you know?
My in-law.
Who is your in-law?
My in-law. My handsome in-law.
Who is your in-law?
Now stop interfering between my conversation with my in-law.
He is not your in-law.
Why are you calling this goat your in-law?
You don't know that this goat is richer than your generation.
Is there something you're not telling us about this goat?
You must not know everything about me. Anyway, let me just tell you. I was only keeping it to myself till I get done with the marriage thing. But this man here disappointed me. But no problem, I will tell you. Do you know that white man that have been chatting with me? Sometimes he will call me.
Which one is that one?
Mr. Robert Nada said he want to will his property to his animal. Yes, he brought it to Nigeria. This is the animal.
Landlord, I have a fine sister that I will give you now. So that my sister will marry your goat.
Let us read now.
I'm not real.
Don't mind him, my in-law. Let's go home.
Go to which house?
Good for you. Go in.